Hey guys, I'm the Fit Foodie. I'm here today to make an immune boosting smoothie for us all in isolation. Really simple, about 6 or 7 ingredients, and it's really good for the gut too. This video is very kindly brought to you by Rockwear that I'm wearing today, as you might see. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off today with 4 seedless mandarins. Make sure they're seedless if you can. You can also use oranges. The idea is we're just getting in some good vitamin C to help boost the immune system, because we're all trying to keep away from nasty viruses going around. So I'm just gonna throw those straight in there. And then I'm gonna add in, I've got a medjool date. This is like the really soft ones that are packed with fibre, better than the dry ones that you get packeted. So if you can get hold of a fresh one, just make sure you take the pit out the middle. I've got a teaspoon of chia seeds, also amazing for omega-3s, which is great healthy fat. And then I've got a teaspoon of coconut oil here that I'm gonna throw in. If you want to use MCT oil or leave it out altogether, totally good swaps. This is one of my favourite things. I have it pretty much every morning for breakfast. It's kefir and it's a really good natural probiotic. Make sure that you don't have any flavours or sugar or anything additional in there. It should really just be milk and enzymes and good bacteria. So I'm just going to throw that straight in. I've got a little bit of cinnamon to help with blood sugar and also immunity. I use cinnamon in everything. It's so good even in savoury stuff. So I'm just going to throw that in. And then the king of all immunity is fresh ginger. You can use dry ginger as well. I'm just gonna grate this straight into the blender. Super, super quick and simple. But yeah, if you just wanted to use dry, you can just use a pinch, just like you did with the cinnamon. Get that all in there. The fresh stuff is extra spicy, so just be a little bit careful you don't put too much in. And then I'm gonna put a good handful of ice cubes in, and we're just gonna blend it up. Now I've blended it up, I'm just gonna serve it fresh straight away. Don't hang on to it or stick it in your fridge just because there's vitamin C in here and we wanna try and keep as much of that in there as possible without it degrading. P.S. if you've got any left over, put it into ice cubes and add it to your next smoothie. Cheers.